Okay, so we're gonna be testing a battery with the multimeter. So the black one goes in the middle because it signifies for negative or ground. And the red one goes over here with the V because we're measuring voltages in a meter. Or voltage in a battery. So we have these two pins that will go in the battery. But first, we gotta turn it on. To turn it on, it has numbers over here on the left. We're just gonna go through. 600 is way too high because the battery is a 12.6 battery. So 200 is also too high. 20 is pretty close, and 2 is way too low. So, and 9 and 1.5 are, we're not measuring a 9.9 volt battery, and the battery is too big for a 1.5. So we're just gonna put it at 20. I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna go positive, red, positive with the positive, and the negative with the negative. And it reads 11.71, 11.72. Wow, why is it changing? 11.17. All right. To take it off, you do black, then red. It's the opposite. And then you can turn this off, unplug it.
Okay. So 11.72, is that low?
Yes, the battery is low, but it doesn't need to be replaced.
Okay, so do I just need to charge it, and how would I charge it?
Yes, you can charge it. All you need to do is charge it. And you can charge it with the volt charger.
Okay, thank you.
Now we're going to use the battery conductance tester. And same thing. Red goes with red. Red goes on the red. And the black goes on the black. And this number pops up, 500, which stands for the CCA cold cranking amps. And on the battery, it usually shows the cold cranking amps right here. It's 800. So I'm just gonna put it up to 800. More about that. All right, 800. And we're gonna click test. Oh, shoot. So it says 11.68. Oh, okay. The low light came on, which means the battery is low, and like I said earlier, it just needs to be charged with the battery charge. Anyways, you know, when you start up the battery while testing it, it should jump up to about 14 volts. To turn this off, to take it off, you just go black, then red. You're done. When you're using battery conductance tester, you want to make sure that the bolts on the battery here and here, that they're not corroded, and they're not messed up.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.